During my college days, I often relied on eggs for dinner, but you always need a change every now and then. But keeping true to eggs, I like to zing it up with a bit of hot sauce, mustard, and zucchini. So this is my easy zucchini omelette with a lot of spice. I'm going to start by grating half a zucchini. I'm going to grate the zucchini onto a paper towel. Always go for a firmer zucchini so that it grates better and holds your shape in the omelette. I'm going to sprinkle a pinch of salt on the zucchini, flatten it out, and cover with the remaining paper towel. Just press down gently. This will help remove all the excess liquid from the vegetable. And now we'll start the omelette batter. So I'm going to start by whisking my 2 eggs. I'm going to add a teaspoon of chili sauce and a teaspoon of mustard. You can use English or Dijon. Pinch of salt, pinch of pepper, and whisk. So the more you whisk your batter for the omelette and you give it more air, the fluffier your omelette's going to be. Then you add in your cheese. Use whatever cheese you have in your fridge. So now I'm going to add in my zucchini. Just give that a whisk into the batter. You may feel that there's more zucchini than eggs. That's absolutely fine. That just means you have more vegetables. I'm going to put my pan on low heat. About a teaspoon of olive oil. Use a silicone brush to coat the pan. Once your pan is hot enough, ladle out your mixture. And give it about 4 to 5 minutes on one side. This looks like it's almost done. I'm going to gently roll it. Place it on the plate. And to serve, I'm going to put a dollop of Greek yogurt, pinch of salt, some pepper, and a drizzle of extra virgin olive oil. And there you have it, the zucchini omelette. This was my cousin's favorite dish in college, and I'm sure it's going to be yours too. Do like, share, comment, and subscribe to India Food Network.